What's up, everybody? Welcome to DJD Life Ability. So, I had a whole bunch of YouTube channels in the past. Some failed, some succeeded. Let's try to make this one succeed. So, what I'm going to be doing on this YouTube channel is talking. Might be doing some gaming videos coming up. And maybe some music, make music and stuff like that. That's what I want to do. Anyways, let me just fix this up. So, chill now. So, yeah, you should go subscribe to a couple of channels. By a couple, and by two. The Chosen Ones. I'm gonna put it on the website. And HWC. That also up on the screen. Never, so most of that though, I guess I'm gonna try to film another video sometime tonight, but can't really promise you anything because my upload schedule is gonna be pure shit, and I know that one from experience. So yeah, with all of that being said, I really hope you guys enjoyed this welcoming to the DJD Life Ability. Yeah, please make sure to like, subscribe, smash that subscribe button, yeah, I guess. Turn on the post notifications so you never miss an upload. DJD Life Ability is signing off. See ya, you guys.